Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let me say thank you for being here. Thank you for being one of my subscribers, and thank you for being just a friend who drops by every now and then to see what I'm up to. I'm glad you did. Today, I have a project share. I've been working on a few Mother's Day gifts for friends, and may I say to all the mothers, Happy Mother's Day. To all the dog moms, Happy Mother's Day. Happy Dog Mom Day. So I have made a few gifts to give to a couple of my friends, and I just wanted to share those with you as I wish you Happy Mother's Day. So I made 3 cards. So I'll show you my 3 cards. So I made 3 cards for my 3 friends. So those are my cards. I did this one in like a vintage style using lace and stuff like that. That with paper and butterflies and a little lace there that I colored. And then one of those dolls with bees. And because this friend just loves bees. And so it's a Happy Mother's Day. It's my favorite person. So I made those to go with the little gifts that I made. Oop. So what I did was for one friend, she always has notepads all around. So I decided to make her a notepad to go with her card. And then this goes with, let me do it this way. This goes with this friend and this card. So that's for that friend and that card. This friend likes vintage. So I made a box, a pillow box here with the Tim Holtz die. And I'm going to put a gift card inside that. And so she likes vintage, so this is kind of a nod to vintage. This friend is a dog mom. So I made for her a little notepad with a pen and some paper in dog print because she's a dog mom. So I got that. So I made that. So that goes with that card. And then I just made 2 others. One for myself, because I'm a dog mom and a mom. Dog mom and a mom? Well, a dog mom and a human mom, I think. Well, whatever. So I made this one and this one for myself. And I made this one just to keep in case I, run upon someone and I want to give them a small gift. I always like to have something. So let me wish you all a Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Be the reason somebody smiles, and take care of yourselves. Remember, like I always say, self-care is not selfish. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Mother's Day and that their family just kind of goes all out for them just because they appreciate them. Talk to you soon. Bye now.